Hi there! This month, we're rolling out major updates that make creating with AI even easier, sharing new ways to customize your digital agents, and spotlighting expert insights from our team. Whether you're a creator, a marketer, or just AI curious, there's something here for everyone. Here's what's new. Meet DID Studio Editor 3.0, our most powerful update yet. Now you can create stunning avatar videos faster, using ready-made templates, scene-based storytelling, and a full suite of editing tools, all right inside the studio. Check out the new features and watch our quick tutorial to see it in action. Our new Express Avatar generative model now has high-res and green screen support for crystal-clear branded videos, exclusive to our enterprise users. Plus, our AI agents are smarter than ever, with new customization options for personality and role, so every interaction feels personal and on-brand. Try out these updates in the studio today. Curious how digital agents can boost your business? Catch our latest DID Academy webinar, where our experts show you how to build and personalize AI avatars, optimize interactions, and unlock new customer engagement strategies. Watch the full session on demand. Ever wondered how AI avatars are transforming customer interactions? Our VP of Marketing just shared his insights on how AI-powered agents bridge the gap between text-based chatbots and human-like conversations. Check out his latest blog post to learn more. Follow DID on social media and stay tuned for next month's DID Debrief.